A lot of virus cases are just hardware pre-installed on your Acer laptops, browser hijackers, or Windows glitches that slow boot or freeze your laptop. Some of the symptoms to check is pop-ups appearing even without a browser open, which is likely an hardware. High CPU usage from unknown processes, which is possibly a malware. And your antivirus being disabled, which is a strong sign of infection. Now, instead of wasting hours digging through hidden files and guessing which processes is dangerous, let me show you a faster way. I have created a powerful one-click virus cleaner designed specifically for Windows laptops, including Acer. With this tool, you don't just scan, you take action. For this demo, I'll choose the first option, which terminates any unsigned or suspicious process running in the background. The tool automatically checks every running process on your laptop, showing you the CPU and memory usage, and whether it's a trusted signed process or a risky unsigned one. All you need to do is enter the PID number, and the tool will safely terminate the malicious process instantly. If you want to try this tool yourself, the download link is pinned in the comment section. Now let's begin the virus removal process on your laptop. Before you do anything, disconnect your laptop from the internet. Unplug the Ethernet cable and turn off Wi-Fi. This prevents the virus from communicating with its servers, downloading more malware, or stealing your data. Now let's enter safe mode with networking. Safe mode starts Windows with only the essential drivers and services, preventing most viruses from loading and making them easier to remove. Click on the Start, select Power button, then hold down Shift and select Restart. Your laptop will restart to a blue screen with several options. Choose Troubleshoot. Go to the Advanced options. Select Startup Settings and click Restart. After your laptop restarts again, you will see a list of options. Press the 5 or F5 key to select Safe Mode with networking. While in safe mode, run disk cleanup. This can free up space and sometimes delete temporary malware files. Type disk cleanup in the start menu and run it. Make sure your main drive is selected, which is usually drive C. Select temporary files. Many viruses and trojans initially download their payloads into the temp folder. Others store components there while they are active. Deleting these files can literally remove parts of the infection before you even start scanning, making the antivirus job easier. And click OK. Confirm your decision to delete the temporary files and wait for the cleaning process to complete. Now that the virus is hindered, use your existing security software. Type PowerShell in the search bar and run it as an administrator. Now let's run a full scan. Type start mp scan. Scan type. Full scan. This command is important in safe mode because sophisticated malware often loads itself as part of Windows startup process. A full scan in safe mode bypasses this entirely because only essential drivers and services run in safe mode, so malware does not get the chance to activate and hide. A full scan is excellent at removing the malicious files that cause the browser hijacking, but it may not automatically revert all the settings that those files changed. Open your web browser, be it Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to its Settings and Extensions menu. Depending on the browser you are using, select Reset Settings and choose Restore Settings to their default values. Some malware makes changes to your browser's configuration files, which Windows Defender sees as legitimate user preferences, not malicious code. After a browser reset, you can be 100% confident that the browser itself is clean. But cleaning the browser is only part of the battle. Malware often hijacks your network settings to secretly redirect your traffic. With the ultimate Windows virus cleaner, you can choose option 5 to reset DNS and network settings. This instantly clears hijacked DNS entries, flashes bad caches, and restores safe browsing, which is one of the most common ways hackers control your laptop. And remember, this tool isn't just for Acer laptops. It works on any Windows PC. If you want to protect your system the same way, the download link is pinned in the comments. Don't wait until malware takes over.